This video will explain about surds. So, what is this surd? So, maybe you have heard of it in some way or you have learned it. But I'll just revise what does this word means, right? So, think if n is an integer that is not a square number. What do you mean by a square number? It is not a square number. So, 4, 1, 9, 16, 25, all these are square numbers. That means, so how does 1 into 1? This is 2 into 2. 3 squared, 4 squared, this is 5 squared, 6 squared. So likewise, if it is not a square number, then any multiple of this root n is a surd. Now I'll take an example. Let's take 3. 3 is not a square number. And if I consider root 3, any multiplication of root 3, for example, root 3 into 6, root 18. Now you might say, now 18 is 9 into 2, right? So 9 into 2 means this will be 3 root 2. So still you have this surd. Still you have this square root. So then it is a surd. If the final answer you're keeping is a square root, then we say it is a surd. If you cannot simplify further and the final answer is a square root, that is a surd. And you must remember these surds are irrational numbers. What do you mean by irrational number? Okay, so if I ask what is 1 over 3? The answer is 0.333333333 goes up to end, right? So here you can see the number repeats. And sometimes there are some like for example 143, 143, 143. If the answer is like this, so still you can see 143, 143 is repeating. Any number, right, which does not have repeats, right, but it will never end. It will have numbers like 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 9. Likewise, it never ends. But the numbers does not have a pattern like this. So those type of ones we say irrational number. And remember that your surds are irrational number. So we'll see using the calculator. Now look, this is the calculator and I'm going to find for root 3 what is the answer. See, 1.732050808. And then if I look at 2. See, 41421356 There is no pattern. And this is like the maximum number that the calculator gives. So that's why it is up to here. Okay? So now you can understand that. So surd is something like that. And these surds have some nice rules. So we'll see what these rules are. So first rule is, this I explained in my previous video under the examples. If it is a root and inside there are two unknowns with the multiplication sign, then you can write it like this. Okay? And I told you in that video also, if it is a division, then again you can write it separately like this. So now we'll see. If it is root 90, this means it is 9 into 10. So this means it is root 9 multiplied by root 10. So root 9, it is a square number, so answer is 3. But root 10 is a square number? No. Then it is like this. So final answer is with the square root. So this is a surd. And sometimes you have to expand it. Now think, if your answer is something like this. 3 plus 4 root 3 times 2 minus root, we'll say 7. Now how we are going to do? This is expanding brackets. So you have learned expanding brackets already. Now we'll see how to expand. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into minus root 7 minus 3 root 7. 4 into root 3 times 2. So it is 8 root 3. 4 root 3 times root 7, this is minus. So 4 times root 21. Because 3 into 7 is 21. So the final answer will be this, because you cannot simplify further. This is all you can do. Even there are no common terms. So this is 6, this is 3, but here it is 8 and 4. So you don't have common factors. If this was like 4, then you can take 2 out and make a bracket and do much more simplification. But in this case, you don't have even that. So this is about surd. So I think now you have a bit idea of what is this surd and how to solve surd questions. So thank you, and please subscribe on my channel.